Car beats on, lights are all on, mixture's coming full rich. Primer's in and locked, and flaps to go. There's a little bit of turbulence.
Bravo November Tower, stay position.
We are just coming up on the midfield, right down 122, and I'm Bravo November. Pretty much a beam the tower, and I'm Bravo November.
Bravo November, Eau Claire Tower, runway 22, wind calm, clear to land.
Clear to land 22, and I'm Bravo November.
Alright, pattern altitude's there.
Eau Claire Tower, it's Piper Comanche, Foxtrot Mike, Delta, Delta.
Comanche Foxtrot Mike, Delta, Delta, Eau Claire Tower.
Yeah, about 25 miles to the southeast, currently 4,500 feet, inbound for landing, estimated the field is 10 minutes.
Foxtrot Mike, Delta, Delta, Eau Claire Tower, roger, continue inbound, report 5 miles from the field, please.
Mike, Delta, Delta.
Alright, speed check's being an overslot.
201 Charlie X 10 south east at 5,000, landing Eau Claire.
201 Charlie X-ray, Eau Claire Tower, roger, continue inbound, and you can expect the left base for runway 22, report 5 miles.
1 Charlie X-ray.
Foxtrot Mike, Delta, Delta Tower, say get position.
Showing 24 miles to the southeast.
Flaps 20.
Roger that. And you may not see him, but there's also a Mooney inbound from the southeast. He's going to be reporting 5 miles as well.
And turn final.
Okay, check that.
Clear to land 22, runway checks, we'll check the heading. Flaps full. Nice high approach like I like.
Tower Mike, Delta, Delta, about 6 miles to the north of Augusta.
Foxtrot Mike, Delta, Delta, roger.
Eau Claire Tower, this is Cessna 90644 Quebec, inbound from the west, approximately 6 miles, and for the option.
Cessna 90644 Quebec, Eau Claire Tower, roger, continue inbound, enter right downwind runway 22, report midfield.
Ugh.
Report midfield, right downwind.
That works, I guess.
739er Bravo November, Eau Claire Tower, continue taxi, turn left on Alpha 3, right on Alpha taxi to park.
Left Alpha 3, Alpha to park, 9 Bravo November 2.
And 1 Charlie X-ray is 5 miles left downwind Eau Claire.
201 Charlie X-ray, Eau Claire Tower, roger, continue, set yourself up at the left base into runway 22, report 3 miles.
We're about 3 miles now.
Roger, I want to confirm you're 3 miles now?
Correct.
Roger. And 201 Charlie X-ray, Eau Claire Tower, non-sight from the tower, runway 22, wind, calm, clear to land.
1 Charlie X-ray, clear to land 22.